Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Hasako Wi-Fi range extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the Hasako Wi-Fi range extender is a device that helps boost and extend your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak spots or dead zones in your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, connect your Hasako Wi-Fi extender to a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED turns solid, usually green or blue depending on the model. On your main Wi-Fi router, find the WPS button. It's usually labeled WPS or has a small circular icon with two arrows. Press and hold the WPS button for about 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS LED on the router will start blinking, which means it's in pairing mode. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, go to your Hasako extender. Press the WPS button on the extender, usually located on the side or front. The extender's WPS/signal LED will begin blinking, showing that it is trying to connect with the router. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, go to your Hasako extender. Press the WPS button on the extender, usually located on the side or front. The extender's WPS/signal LED will begin blinking, showing that it is trying to connect with the router. Once the extender is connected, it will broadcast a new Wi-Fi network. This new network will have the same name as your main Wi-Fi but with _ext at the end. Example, if your router's Wi-Fi is home Wi-Fi, the extender's network will be home Wi-Fi _ext. Use the same password as your router's Wi-Fi to connect to this extended network. After setup, unplug the extender and place it midway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Done. Your Hasako Wi-Fi extender is fully set up using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.